In this episode, I am trying Assam's Masor Tenga. And it's not as Tenga, like it's not sour enough. For 250 grams of fish, I used 2 tomatoes. I think I should have used 3. Actually, no. Actually, no. Welcome to episode 4 of India 36, where I try one dish from every state and union territory of India. Today, it's Assam. This is a very basic recipe, I think very quick to make. You don't need anything fancy, you just need turmeric, you need mustard oil. You definitely need mustard oil. As expected. And now comes the time कि दो स्टेट्स के बीच की लाइन मिटाते हैं. तो इधर मेरे पास लास्ट एपिसोड का अरुणाचल प्रदेश का ग्यापा खाजी है, which is cheesy rice, which I said उस टाइम कि I need something, some curry with this to eat. You know, I can't eat it as is. And this episode I have made Masor Tenga. Tenga basically means sour. Masor is basically fish. Perfecto. As if they are made for each other. आई होप जब मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट जाऊँ तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन मिल जाए. Let me know in the comments, would you try this combination and which state are you looking forward to? For me, I can't wait for